Today I'm going to show you how to set up your home page and post page in WordPress. For this demo I've already set up two pages, one for the home page and one for the blog page. Now these two pages need to be set as the home page and post page, so I'll show you how to do that. On your menu you need to go down to Settings and Reading, and here you'll see by default it's set up as your latest posts for your home page. So what you need to do is click on Static Page, and then you'll see some drop down boxes below, and here you can choose which page is set to which option. So you choose your home page and your post page. Now you need to save changes, and from now on all your blog posts will go to the blog page and your home page will be a static page. If you enjoyed this video, it would be great if you could hit the like button below. And you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the red box below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. You can also check out the blog at explorewp.com for more WordPress information and resources.